Hi, I'm here with
Miss Eastman, formerly Miss Davis.
Let me know about your experience today.
In the assembly. It was amazing. It was honestly the best assembly that I've ever seen at Rowe, and I'm so grateful for Miss Draymond for putting it on. It was really good.
Dr. Ford, me too. Amber Wyatt, me too. No, really, y'all. Me too.
I'm here with Kumari, and what did you think about the assembly?
It was good.
Way in the waters.
Hi, I'm here with Adam. And tell me about your experience about the assembly.
It was really nice. I liked the culture. I liked what they were doing, you know. I liked like the dance moves and all that. And it was just cool. It was like a chill, it was like a fun like assembly.
Work a black entrepreneur queen. Am I becoming Michelle Obama? The first black first lady to hold a law degree, to be written down in history, being the representation that our people of color need to see.
Hi, I'm here with
Riley.
And tell me about your experience today in the assembly.
I thought it was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. It was fun, and the music was good.
I'm here with,
Miss Top.
and let me know about your experience today at the assembly.
I thought the assembly was so awesome in that it celebrated Black history, and it really just like gave us a different perspective and a different culture. It was really cool getting to see the dance and listen to the poetry and the rapper. It was just an all-around really awesome experience.
I'm here with JS, and what did you think about the assembly?
I learned a lot about Black history.
Your experience today in the assembly.
I thought the assembly was really cool. I liked seeing all the different people with their talents and stuff, and I really enjoyed watching it.
I'm here with Mr. B, and just let me know about your experience today in the assembly.
Oh, well, it was fun, right? I'm glad they brought it out here, right? It was interactive. You know, they got to see the side of like the African culture, what they're doing with the drum.
I'm here with,
Deontay.
and let me know about your experience about the assembly. No.
It was a good experience, and yeah, I liked it.